Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin. I'm your host today. In a move that's got investors talking, Trump Media and Technology Group has announced a $2.5 billion capital raise to buy Bitcoin for its corporate treasury, making it the latest high-profile entrant in the corporate Bitcoin strategy, Playbook. Bitcoin Bulletin takes a closer look at this bold move. Let's dive into the details. The company's fundraising approach is quite sophisticated, with an equity component of $1.5 billion and a debt component of $1 billion in convertible notes priced at a 35% premium. This mixed approach allows Trump Media to raise substantial capital while giving investors upside participation through the convertible feature. Now, we know that corporate Bitcoin adoption has evolved from experimental to mainstream among certain sectors, thanks in part to MicroStrategy's wildly successful template. With $23.91 billion in crypto assets and shares that gained over 600% in 2024, MicroStrategy proved that aggressive Bitcoin positioning can create extraordinary shareholder value. Market capitalization impact was significant, with Strategy's market value reaching nearly $94 billion, demonstrating how Bitcoin holdings can dramatically amplify a company's valuation beyond its core operating business. But what does this mean for Trump Media? The company brings several advantages to the table, including a cash position of $759 million in existing cash and short-term investments, which provides a solid foundation. Custody infrastructure is also in place, with partnerships with Anchorage Digital and Crypto.com ensuring institutional-grade security. And let's not forget the political alignment. Trump Media benefits from the Trump administration's pro-crypto stance. However, investors should be cautious about execution risk, as unlike MicroStrategy, which has years of experience managing large Bitcoin positions, Trump Media is new to crypto treasury management. There's also a business model diversification risk, as the company is pursuing financial services expansion, M&A opportunities, and various crypto ventures simultaneously, potentially spreading focus thin. Regulatory exposure is another risk factor, given the potential for regulatory changes that could impact corporate Bitcoin strategies. And let's not forget market confidence. The immediate 13% decline in Trump Media shares suggests investors may be questioning whether the company can successfully execute this complex strategy or if the valuation premium is justified. But what about the timing? The announcement comes at a strategic moment, with Bitcoin recently achieving new all-time highs above $111,000, institutional adoption accelerating, and the regulatory environment remaining crypto-friendly under the Trump administration. And it's not just Trump Media. 21 Capital, valued at $3.6 billion, has announced a partnership through Cantor Fitzgerald, Tether, demonstrating continued institutional interest in Bitcoin-focused investment vehicles. Now, investors have to weigh the potential for extraordinary returns against substantial execution risks and dilution concerns. It's a leveraged bet on both Bitcoin appreciation and Trump Media's ability to overcome market skepticism while executing one of the most ambitious corporate treasury transformations in recent memory. That's it from Bitcoin Bulletin today.